Welcome to Pro English Stories. My name is John Keats, and today I am very happy to talk to you. In this channel, we upload English stories to help you learn English in a simple, natural, and enjoyable way. If you are new here, let me tell you something important. This channel is specially made for English learners who feel afraid of English, who think English is difficult, or who feel shy while speaking. Here, we do not teach English like a classroom. We teach English through stories, because stories are not boring, stories are not heavy. Stories touch the heart, and when the heart is involved, learning becomes easy. In today's video, I am going to explain why English stories are the best method to learn English naturally. I will also talk about how our stories help you, why this method works, and how you can improve your English step by step just by listening. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy this journey with me. My journey with English stories. Before I talk about the benefits, let me share something personal. Like many of you, I also struggled with English. Grammar rules confused me. Vocabulary lists made me tired. Speaking English made me nervous. I knew many rules, but I could not speak smoothly. I could read, but I could not understand native speakers. Then one day I started listening to English stories. Simple stories, slow stories, stories about life, love, mistakes, emotions, and real situations. Something changed. I did not feel pressure. I did not feel fear. I just listened. And slowly my English started improving without forcing my brain. That is the power of stories. Why stories work better than traditional methods. Let me explain this in a very simple way. When you study English using grammar books, your brain is under pressure. You think about rules. You worry about mistakes. But when you listen to a story, your brain relaxes. You are not learning. You are experiencing. And when you experience language, you learn it naturally, just like a child learns a language. Children do not learn grammar first. They listen, they repeat, they understand meaning from context. Stories do exactly the same thing. Stories help you learn English naturally. Natural learning means learning without stress. Stories give you natural sentence structure, real-life vocabulary, daily conversation style, emotional connection. When a sentence touches your emotions, your brain remembers it longer. For example, if you hear, "He felt alone and afraid that night," you understand the meaning immediately. You feel it. You remember it. This is much stronger than memorizing. Alone equals without people. Our stories improve listening skills automatically. One of the biggest problems English learners face is listening. People say, "I understand English when I read, but not when I listen." Stories solve this problem. When you listen to stories regularly, your ears get used to English sounds. You understand words faster. You do not translate every word. You start understanding directly in English. This is a very important step. Stories improve speaking without forcing you. Many learners ask, "How can I speak English fluently?" The answer is simple. First, you must listen a lot. Stories give you ready-made sentences. When you listen, those sentences stay in your mind. One day, when you speak, the sentences come out naturally. You don't think. You don't translate. You just speak. This is how fluency is built. Stories build vocabulary in context. Vocabulary is another big fear. People try to memorize thousands of words. but they forget them quickly. Stories teach vocabulary in context. For example, she opened the door slowly because she was scared. Now you know, open slowly because scared you did not memorize them. You understood them through the story. This is how vocabulary becomes active, not passive. Stories increase confidence. Fear is the biggest enemy of learning English. Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, fear of speaking. Stories remove fear. Because you are alone, you are listening. No one is watching you. You can pause. You can repeat. You can listen again. Slowly, confidence grows, and confidence is more important than perfect grammar. Why Pro English Stories channel is different now. Let me talk about this channel. At Pro English Stories, we carefully create stories for learners like you. Our stories are simple English, clear pronunciation, emotional and interesting based on real-life situations we upload. Emotional life stories, romantic, but safe stories, moral stories, real-life lessons. Each story is designed to help you improve listening, learn vocabulary, understand sentence, flow, how you should use stories to learn English. Let me give you a simple method. 1. Listen first without stopping, just enjoy the story. 2. Listen again and focus on understanding, try to catch new words. 3. Listen a third time and repeat some sentences. This improves speaking. 4. Use subtitles only if needed. Do not depend on them. 5. Be patient. English improves slowly but surely. Consistency is the key. Stories are for everyone. Stories are not only for beginners. Even advanced learners can benefit. Why? Because stories show natural expressions, real emotions, cultural understanding. Language is not just words. Language is feelings. Stories teach both. Final message to learners: if you feel tired of grammar rules, if you feel bored with textbooks, if you feel scared of speaking English, then stories are your solution. Listen daily. Be patient. Trust the process. One day you will realize, I understand English. I can speak English. English is not difficult. For closing, thank you so much for listening today. If you enjoy learning English through stories, please like this video, subscribe to Pro English Stories, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new story. Remember, English is not learned by force. English is learned by feeling, and stories help you feel the language. See you in the next story.